Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on the Exodus wallet. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to have your own Exodus wallet. Then you will need just to go to this website and click here on download. Then you will find all these versions of applications. There is the web app, mobile, and the desktop app. After you choosing any version that you would like, you will need just to open your wallet so we can know how to buy crypto or the Ethereum coin from the Exodus application. So here I have my web wallet and it will appear as follow. And basically all the steps for all the applications are the same. So here you will find this main menu and then you will need just to go to this dollar icon. Basically here it will take you to the buy crypto menu. Then you will need just to choose your currency, either it's dollar or any other currency. And here you will need just to choose like the coin. It can be Ethereum, Bitcoin, or anything that you would like. And basically here you will need just to choose Ethereum. Then after that you will need just to choose your payment method. And those are like the provider to proceed with the purchase. So basically those are the payments way for Exodus wallet. And then you will need just to click on continue. And after that, you will have your transaction that will be successfully applied and you will have your own crypto. And basically all the same for the other version of application. So this is the desktop. You go to the dollar icon and then you will need just to choose your currency, the crypto that you would like, in this case, Ethereum, and then you choose your payment way and continue. And also the same for our wallet payment or our web wallet. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.